Good evening friends, welcome to my 8th video and we will continue discussing GK facts. So the first one for today is Justice N.V. Ramana on 24th April 2021 has been sworn in as the 48th Chief Justice of India by the President Shri Ram Nath Kovind at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Justice Ramana will have a tenure of 1 year and 4 months as the Chief Justice of India and will resign office on August 26th, 2022. Next one, the National Thermal Power Corporation Limited (NTPC) is developing India's biggest floating solar plant with a power generation of capacity 100 megawatt in the reservoir of its thermal power plant in Telangana. Its estimated cost is 423 crore. Next one, what is Integrity NASA? NASA Integrity Mars helicopter made a powered controlled flight on another planet on 19th April 2021 and completed its second Mars flight on 22nd April 2021. Its sole mission is to demonstrate that flight on another planet is feasible. Next one. Japan has declared a state of emergency in Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto and Hyogo from 25th April 2021 after the recent surge in COVID-19 cases, and the emergency is till 11th May. Next one. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? And she is Tessie Thomas. Tessie Thomas is an Indian scientist and Director General of Aeronautical Systems and the former Project Director of Agni 4 missile in Defense Research and Development Organization. She is the first ever woman scientist to head a missile project in India. And do you know friends who is known as the Missile Man of India? And he is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. Next one. Who is the CEO of Baiju? And CEO of Baiju is Baiju Ravindran. He is an Indian entrepreneur. Baiju is an Indian multinational educational technology company headquartered in Bangalore, India. It was founded in 2011 by Baiju Ravindran and Divya Gokulnath. Next one. World Immunization Week. It is celebrated in the last week of April and it aims to promote the use of vaccines to protect people of all ages against the disease, and it is from 24th to 30th April. While the world focuses critically on the important new vaccines to protect against the COVID-19, there remains a need to ensure that the regular vaccines are not missed, that the routine vaccines are not missed. Next one. When is the National Panchayati Raj Day celebrated? And it is 24th April. On this day, work done by Panchayat leaders are recognized and appreciated. Next one. Who was the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? And she was Meera Kumar. She is an Indian politician and former diplomat. She became the 15th Speaker of Lok Sabha and she was from the year 2009 to 2014. Next one. The cyclone Amphan, which came in 2020, resulted in USD 14 billion economic losses in India. The State of Global Climate 2020 report was released on 20th April by the United States. And that tells that they have caused a loss of 14 billion economic losses to India. Next one. Which state in India launched No Mask No Movement campaign? The movement is to break the chain of coronavirus in the state, and it is Rajasthan. Next one. Now we have some common abbreviations related to UN, and they are IMF, International Monetary Fund. The headquarters are in Washington DC, and its purpose is it promotes International Monetary Corporation. Next one, ILO, and it is International Labour Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva, and it has the purpose to improve conditions and living standards of workers. Next one, World Trade Organization (WTO), and its headquarters is also in Geneva, and it has the purpose for settling rules for world trade to reduce tariff, and these full forms were related to the UN. Next one. Which country has banned cryptocurrency recently? And it is Turkey. The Central Bank of Turkey enacted a ban on cryptocurrency payments. The reason for a ban is lack of regulation and the central authority for the coins. Next one. Scientists have discovered one of the smallest black hole on record and the closest one to Earth found as of 24th April 2021. It is 3 times mass of a sun, which means tiny for a black hole. And the last one for today is Punjab will become a state with Har Ghar Jal by year 2022 as planned. Punjab has 34.73 lakh rural households, out of which 25.88 lakh, which is 74.5%, have tap water supply. Thank you for watching this video.